How are you? Go for it. Good. Everything good? Ready? It's like 2 weeks. Oh my God.
In 2 weeks is the whole.
Is it New Orleans? You should go.
Nice. Excited and nervous at the same time.
Elise. The whole family. Married to
Miss
come here.
Oh, okay.
You know?
I guess
C'est cool.
you get used to it.
You couldn't get that one in Creole.
No.
Your name is?
Mideline Phelizord.
Mideline
Phelizord.
Phelizord.
Hi, welcome. Thank you so much for coming.
Thanks for coming.
So you are the most beautiful woman in Haiti,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
And now hopefully the most beautiful woman in the
In the world.
universe.
Yes.
So thank you so much. We support you. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
And I just wanted to add how proud we are to have you here. We are so honored to have Miss Haiti and very soon Miss Universe
Yes.
at Excel Aesthetics. So Excel Aesthetics is here for the community to support, and we're so happy to have you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much for coming by.
All right.
So we have here, as I mentioned to you, we have the body contouring to make sure that everyone is slim and beautiful for the pageants. We have the Bella shades there. And then we also do BBL for butt enhancement. And we also do mesotherapy for any unwanted fat. And then here we do the laser hair removal. So here we have the laser hair removal with the laser machine. And we also do the IPL for the photo facial to give your face flawless. So here in this area here, we do facials. Nightly, that's what we have here. Excited to have you. Oh, and this machine is the temperature, which is the radio frequency that I told you. And usually when actors and actresses go on the red carpet, this is what they use so that they could have a natural glow when they go on the red carpet. Yeah. Salut, Amor, and Miss Universe.
All right.
C'est Mideline Phelizord, Miss Haiti Univers 2022. Je dis à moi vraiment content pour mon Excel esthétique et côté que me souhaite faire un tour, yo souhaite expliquer tout bel service que yo bail. Donc m'a invité nous même tout venir prendre service nous. Moi même Miss Haiti moi déjà là.
Just wanted to say thank you on behalf of Excel Medical Associates and Excel Aesthetics. Thanks for coming, and we want to wish you the best. We know you have a big event coming, like encore une fois merci d'être venu. Bonne chance. On est très fiers de toi. D'accord.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your patience.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you for your patience. Excel is a pillar in the community. We want Excel to live for 10,000 years, and we appreciate Excel support for Miss Haiti organization, especially for Mideline, Miss Haiti, Miss Universe Haiti 2022. So we're looking forward to more of our support for our Miss, especially go vote. You can see the link on her Instagram handle, Mideline Phelizord, or at the Miss Haiti organization in Instagram as well. Thank you very much for extending. Thank you.
I don't know how to do this. Larry, say hi.
Yes.
You can say something to her. She's watching you. Annie, look who's here. Look who's here. This is Miss Haiti. Look at her face. Look, she looks like you. Look. Let me show you. Yeah. Can you see her? Thank you. All right, Annie. Bye.